Hello everyone, AJ Zambonini, Drying Product Manager here at Conair, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about our D-Series desiccant wheel dryers. These standalone desiccant wheel dryers can be sized anywhere from 15 pounds an hour all the way up to 5,000 pounds an hour. But the common thread throughout all of them is that they use our desiccant wheel technology that we have fully adopted for the last 15 years. The desiccant wheel circuit's actually made up of three parts: the desiccant wheel, the process air circuit, and the regeneration circuit. The desiccant wheel is used to take moisture out of the air. The process circuit passes air over the desiccant and is then heated up to dry the plastic. And thirdly, the regeneration circuit is used to wring that desiccant wheel back out and make it dry for use again. You can see this dryer is very compact, easy to roll around, and would typically be paired with a hopper of the appropriate size. These can also be used for central drying as well. All of these dryers include audible and visual alarms as standard, and as you can see, they're very easy to maintain with your filters here on the front of the unit. Regeneration filter here, and your process filter down there to the right. If we take a look around the side of the dryer, you'll see that your RTDs used for temperature control can be plugged in here with quick connects. One for controlling the process temperature at the drying hopper, and the other for setting back the temperature for material overdry protection, which is included on every model and every unit. Here's your audible alarm, and there's your communications jack should you want to connect it to the internet or use our onboard VNC viewer to control this dryer remotely. All Conair dryers come with an aftercooler as standard, which allows them to dry from 150 to 375 degrees as standard. However, you can also opt for our optional air-cooled aftercooler, which means you don't need water drops throughout your facility. You don't need extra chiller capacity. It makes this thing extra mobile. So wherever you have power, you can run the dryer. All of these dryers come available with a version of our unified control platform. Dryers from 15 to 400 pounds an hour can use a plus or a premium version of the control. The plush version is a 4-inch color touchscreen control. If you and your group are people who like to use push buttons, LCD controllers, toggle switches, and you like to keep things simple, that's a great controller for you. It gives you all those same simple benefits, but all the additional benefits that come with a color touchscreen. The 7-inch premium control adds more feature content to the system and gives you a larger touchscreen area for more interactivity. This new DCB control follows the same unified control platform interface that we use across all of our new products, like the Thermalator, the Smart FLX, and the TrueBlend SB5 blender. This makes it easy for anyone who knows how to use one Conair product to very easily learn and adapt to another Conair product.